Hello, and welcome to Season 1, Episode 0 of the Mercury Comet Transformation. I'm your host, Ethan, and the reason that this is Episode 0 is because this is kind of a trailer as to what's to come, kind of project plans, some goals, and just an overview of kind of how the car looks right now. So a little bit of background about this car. I purchased it from my mother-in-law about 2 months ago, and I've kind of just been procrastinating on making these videos. I've spent a little bit of time getting it running and driving, and vacuumed out the interior, of course. It was riddled with mouse poops, and it was not super enjoyable to sit in, but it's a little better now. So currently this car looks really good from about 20-30 feet away, as you see here, but it's got a little bit more to be desired. As for the motor in this car, the original 302 was pulled from it and replaced with a ported 289 with a high lift cam and a 4-barrel Holley carburetor. This engine has a couple problems, one mainly being the significant lifter clatter, and I believe the fuel pump is going bad on its way out, and so Season 1 will be mostly oriented around getting the drivetrain to run properly and to be a little bit more reliable. And so currently it just dies pretty much whenever you let off the gas, and so that'll be Season 1. I currently have a new set of wheels coming for this car. It has 3 matching tires. One is kind of an oddball, and half of them leak air. As for the interior, it probably won't all need to be replaced per se, but most of it will probably get repainted, reupholstered. It needs sound deadening and carpet. Fortunately, the seats are in pretty good condition now, but there are some holes in the floor and in the seats. But luckily, the headliner's in basically perfect condition, and so that's a good sign. You're lucky that you don't have smell-o-vision, because this car smells like mouse poop and socks from the bottom of the hamper. So luckily, you don't have to deal with that, and that's all me. I would like to get this car dynoed because I have no idea how much horsepower it makes and what kind of torque it makes, but that might have to be kind of further down the line. Season 2 will probably be mostly oriented around the body, getting it repainted, get any of the imperfections fixed, mostly repaint. The body is basically perfect. There's not a single dent that I've seen, hardly any body rust. The only rust is in the corner of the hood and in some of the window sills. There's a little bit of rust, but nothing too significant. So it's really pretty straight. So currently the plans for Season 1 are to install the new wheels, fix the prominent lifter clatter, address the brakes, because I think I'm only running on the back 2 drums, get the new fuel pump put in, and I think that's just about it for Season 1. I might start doing a little bit of the interior, but I'm not so sure on that just quite yet. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Episode 1.